Hi guys, we're playing Build a Boat. So, I have good stuff. What should I make? I know what I'm making. Guys, this is what I'm making.
New customers bet $5 to get 200 if your bet wins. Pay instantly in bonus bets.
Run! Na 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 na.
What the heck?
No, it didn't work. Let me try doing something. What the heck? This 9-10.
He saved over $900 by switching.
You're not Emmett Smith, but we'll treat you like him. It feels good to get a star treatment. It feels good to Geico. I promoted your next protein with 30 grams of protein. Those who tried me felt more energy in just 2 weeks. Here, I'll take that.
Ensure Max Protein. 30 grams of protein.
I need that.
Protein.
That's a lot of
Muscles
bonuses.
up to 7 hours.
You know how much better I'd probably feel if I drink protein every day. I don't get any of it now. I'll give you some, baby. Open up.
Fa